Welcome, in front of me is LENOVO IdeaPad 5, and in this video I will show you how to perform a factory reset on this laptop. So to do that, first tap on the Start button, then go to Settings, then select System and go to the Recovery section, which is located right here. Tap on it. And then to start the factory reset process, click on this button right here. And now you can choose whether you want to keep your files or remove everything. Basically, the first option doesn't do anything besides settings and applications. But basically, all the personal files stay on your PC. So if you want to perform a proper factory reset and remove everything from your PC, select the second option. Now, if you're connected to the internet, you can select Cloud Download, which is basically reinstalling your Windows using cloud. So if any files on your device are corrupted and you want a clean copy of Windows, then select the first option. It will take you a lot more time, but it's a lot safer this way. I'm gonna go with local reinstall, and if your files aren't corrupted and you just want to clean your device, then you can go with this option too. Right now, you can also go right here, and here you can either select to just remove your files by keeping this value to no, or you can clean the drive completely. This will take you a lot of time, but it will make your files unrecoverable. So this is an option for you if you are preparing your device for reselling, for example. And now you can also delete workplace resources if you keep this one checked to yes, or you can keep packages if you select no. I'm gonna go with yes. And again, you can select if you want to download Windows or just reinstall it from this device. So if you click on yes, so if you switch the toggle to yes, then it will download and reinstall Windows. And if you keep it with, if you select no, the Windows will be reinstalled locally. So confirm the changes and click next to continue. Okay, so as you can see, we are ready to reset this PC. So once you're ready, click reset, and then just wait until your device is fully reset. It will take a while, depending on the choices that you made. It might take up to several hours. So be patient, please, and wait until it's finished. And that's it. The reset is complete. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.